Hey everybody, Scott here, Freedom Homes of Tulsa at the traffic circle. Just wanted to bring you down here and take a little tour of one of my favorite homes. It is a single wide, it's called the Islander. It's single wide, but it looks big inside. And Nate can pan around, he's my guy on the camera here. This thing just feels like you're in a big, giant house. Some of the nice things, this thing has the top of the line features in it. You got the flat stovetop cooktop over there. You got the stainless refrigerator. Nice big bar in the middle. You can put about 3 or so stools up there. The nice thing is we got a sliding glass door right behind Nate there. So you can put you a nice little deck, have some cookouts out there, walk right in here and right into the kitchen. So that's really nice. Big open space in the living room. You've even got an area right here that you can hang your TV. And now we're going to take a look at some of the bedrooms in the back, and then we'll go to the primary bedroom. So coming back by the front door, you got your first bedroom on the left. Bedroom number 2. Good looking room. You can make it an office if you don't need it as a bedroom, or whatever you want to do with it. The nice thing about these homes is they're all smart comfort homes. They're very intelligent, smart homes. You can pan over here to the thermostat. If you're a little chilly in the morning, you just hit your phone, you can fire that thing right up and get some heat in the house. Come on a little further back. We've got the back section bathroom, super nice. Tub and tile combination. Tub and shower combination. And then we've got the back room, which is kind of a big room all the way across the whole entire width of the trailer. So now we're going to go back up front and we'll kind of pass by the kitchen. And we'll check out the awesome pantry that's in this house. And it's also where the washer and dryer are at. Come on by. Squeaky shoes. So as we come off the kitchen, we've got the washer and dryer. And what's awesome is you got this huge pantry area. One of the things I like is the window up there. Lets a lot of natural light in so you can see. As we come back to the final part, this is our primary bedroom. You got your walk-in closet over here. You can stick you a king-size bed in here. And then one of the best features of this home is the primary bathroom. Primary bath, you've got this big soaker tub right here. You can lean back. You got the cabinets up top, which are awesome. Put your candles up there, chill out. Slipping over here to this side, you got your walk-in shower. Real nice. Real nice. Nice bathroom and everything's, you know, none of that plastic stuff. This is good quality stuff. Give us a call. We're down here at the traffic circle right here in Tulsa, Freedom Homes of Tulsa. And 728-2277, 918 is the area code. Give us a call. We love to hear from everybody. Have a great day, guys. See you.